Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito, September 28. Ang ebanghelyo natin is Luke 9:43 to 45. Sabi ng ebanghelyo, Jesus told His disciples, "Listen and remember what I tell you now. The Son of Man will be betrayed into the hands of men." But the disciples didn't understand this saying, something preventing them from grasping what He meant. They were afraid to ask Him about it. What is that something? Gusto kong hanapin natin din sa ating yun nangyari sa mga disipulo. Sometimes there is something na nag-prevent na makuha mo buong mensahe. Gusto mong blessings, ayaw mong suffering. Gusto mong tanggap ka ng tao, close ka, tiklop ka sa pagtanggi ng tao o sa pag-uusig ng mga tao. Gusto mong palagpakan ka, ayaw mong ibabash. What is that something that prevent us na maiintindihan natin ang buong picture? Natanggapin natin lahat na nangyari sa buhay natin bilang something na makakatulong sa ating ikabubuti. Tulad ng sinabi ni Pablo, everything help those who love God according to His purpose. Everything. Everything means everything. Everything means bashing, everything means sickness, everything means problems, everything means blessings, everything means pagtanggap. Lahat po yun ay bahagi ng everything. But there is something that prevent us from accepting yung feeling natin ay hindi maganda. Ano yun? Ano yun? And I have the idea that there are two things that prevent us from that. One is dividing everything na nangyari into two boxes, good and bad, good and bad. So may mga bagay na we put in the box of bad. Hindi ito maganda at ito'y dapat mawala. And we are wrong kasi everything help those who love God. Everything. Jesus did more for you and me sa pamamagitan ng pagtitiis ng krus at kamatay sa krus kaysa lahat ng milagro ng ginawa before. Mas epektibo sa pagsasave sa ating ang kanyang krus kaysa mga milagro na ginawa sa Capernaum. And we still until now divide things into good and bad. And so we throw away kalahati. Kalahating blessings tinatapon. Kalahating tulong sa ating ikabubuti ay tinatapon by consider them bad. Baka nakatulong. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pass it on. Punuin natin ang good news sa social media at gawin natin viral araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. And God bless you.